Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to install the natural rapid shower filter, which you can get on Amazon. Before we go and install it, let me show you what's inside the box. So let's go and take a look. So inside the box, you're going to have the shower filter casing, which has the shower filter inside already. You're going to have a replacement filter cartridge. And if you guys want to see how to replace the shower filter once it's time to do so, I'll be doing a separate video on that later. You also have Teflon tape, also known as plumber's tape, which we'll be using for the installation. You have 2 washers and the instructions. Now, for this installation, you're really only going to need the shower filter casing because it already has the filter inside, the Teflon tape, and the 2 washers. Everything else you can put away for now. So the first step to installing the shower filter is to remove your existing shower head. We're going to do that here. Now, this was fairly easy to take off. Typically, you'll be able to just twist the shower head right off. If it's going to be a little bit tight, you may need to use a wrench, but I think usually you'll be able to just take it off just like that. Now, we're going to set that down. Now, the second step is to install the Teflon tape. Now, if you had some Teflon tape on the pipe with your shower head, you're going to want to take that old tape off before installing the new tape. And to install it, we're going to take a little bit of the tape and we're going to want to wrap it around the pipe fitting 4 or 5 times. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this tape around 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to cut it off with a scissor. Now, I probably didn't even need the scissor to cut that off. You can probably just rip it. Now, the second part is you're going to want to go ahead and install the Teflon tape around the pipe fitting on the bottom half of the shower filter right here. And we're going to follow the same procedure. We're going to wrap the tape around 4 or 5 times. So, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, you can just rip that off. Don't need the scissor. And we are good to go. Now, the third step, before you install the shower filter onto the pipe, is you want to make sure that you take one of the washers and put it into the connection which is going to go onto the pipe right in here. Now that the washer is in there, we're just going to screw the shower filter onto the pipe. You want to screw it on until it's secure, not too tight, but you don't want it moving around either. So there, that should be good. Now that that's done, you're going to want to take your shower head that you took off and you're going to want to put the second washer into the connection that's going to go to the shower filter. And you're going to take that bracket and you're going to screw it on right to the bottom of the shower filter. So now that you finish installing the shower head, the last step is to run some hot water through the shower filter. Now you may notice some black carbon dust that comes out right when you turn the water on, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal and it should clear within a couple seconds. Now we're going to go ahead and do that. Once you see that the shower water is clear, the filter has been successfully installed and you're good to go. Now, if you like this video on how to install the natural rapid shower filter, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please be sure to check down in the description. There's a special 15% off coupon for Amazon. If you want to buy a second Natural Rapids shower filter or buy one as a gift, just get the coupon code in the description below and apply it at checkout and you'll get 15% off. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.